A Venn diagram is a visual representation of the relationships between different sets of items. It consists of overlapping circles or other shapes, each representing a set or category. The overlapping portions of the circles indicate the elements that are common to the sets being compared, while the non-overlapping portions represent the unique elements of each set. Venn diagrams are commonly used in mathematics, logic, statistics, and various other fields to illustrate the relationships between different groups or categories of items. They are helpful for visualizing the concepts of set theory, including intersections, unions, complements, and subsets. Venn diagrams can be used to compare two or more sets and analyze the similarities and differences between them. They provide a clear and intuitive way to understand the relationships and overlaps between various elements or concepts.